In today's video, I'm going to teach you to block adult videos on YouTube. We'll do this using YouTube's built-in restricted mode on the desktop website. This feature helps hide potentially mature or adult content, making the browsing experience safer for younger viewers. It's not a perfect filter, but it's a helpful layer of protection that's quick to set up. Start by opening a web browser on your computer and going to youtube.com. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to manage. If you're not signed in, you'll see a Sign In button in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, you'll see your profile picture there instead, which is exactly where we need to click next. Click your profile picture in the top right corner to open the account menu. This menu gives you quick access to your settings, switch accounts, and more. We're going to scroll all the way down in this menu to find the Restricted Mode option. If you see it labeled as Restricted Mode Off, that's simply letting you know the filter is currently disabled. Click on Restricted Mode Off to open the Restricted Mode panel. Here you'll see a brief description of how the feature works. YouTube uses a mix of automated systems, community flags, and other signals to try to identify and hide content that may be mature. Again, it's helpful, but not guaranteed to catch everything. Now toggle the switch to turn restricted mode on. Once you flip that switch, YouTube may refresh the page or apply the setting immediately. When it's activated, you'll typically see confirmation in that panel, and you may notice fewer suggested videos that look adult or mature. A few important notes for clarity. Restricted mode applies only to this browser on this device. If you use a different browser or another computer, you'll want to repeat these same steps there. It's also tied to your current browser session and account state, so if you sign out or switch users, you may need to check the setting again. If the setting seems not to stick, make sure cookies and site data are allowed for YouTube, since the site uses them to remember this preference. To recap, go to youtube.com and sign in, click your profile picture in the top right, scroll down to Restricted Mode, and toggle it on. That's all it takes to reduce exposure to adult videos on YouTube from your desktop browser. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might benefit, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.